y'all? It's Chris with pennies1000.com. Going to show you a website where you can get paid to do a variety of things. This is probably one of my favorite websites when it comes to watching videos, just because of the amount of money you can make. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on this website, and I'm also going to cash out. So this is basically the home page. You'll see here my balance. I have $8.25. You can cash out on this site at a minimum of like $1, just depending on what which way you want to cash out. With gift cards or to your bank, PayPal, all that kind of good stuff. I'm going to show you all of that. First, I'm going to show you right here. You'll see here this point booster code. A lot of times they will give out codes, throughout the day, and you just type in the code. And you see here, the first 7 people to type in that code, they get 10 points, and you see there that 7 people did it. You really have to be fast at doing that because they pop up, throughout the day, and literally like within 30 seconds, it's already gone. But there's plenty of them throughout the day. So just make sure that when you're on the site, you're using it, that you kind of pay attention to the chat box, just with the booster codes. Also, a lot of times what people will do with this site is they'll say, okay, I just took this survey and it was easy. I got paid this amount. It took me like 5 minutes. So they'll kind of recommend different surveys or offers that you could do that are easy. So that's why I like it. And that's why I make most of my money with this site, just paying attention to the booster codes and, what kind of surveys that people are recommending. So like I said, this is the homepage. Another thing you can do here is clicks. You click on this, and they have different offer walls that you can click on. I like to use their own offer wall, InstaGC. So, matter of fact, they don't even have any right now. But the thing is like sometimes you'll have, just click on this, get 2 cents. Click on that, get 4 cents, things like that. So, it's really cool. Just finding different ways to make money with this site. So I'll click on InstaGC just so you can see that the offers they have, and you'll see there's a good amount of them. See right here, install and use this extension. You get 30 points for doing that. Complete registration. Those are always good because they're free. You just basically register for something, and if you don't want it, you can always cancel it, but make sure you get your money first. I just kind of scroll down and show you some more of that. Very, very cool. Very, very easy to use. Again, this is how I make a lot of my money, just, doing things like that. You follow them on Twitter, you can get 1 point for doing that. So, I probably need to get on that and follow them since I've been using this site for so long. But overall, there's a lot that you can do with this site. I just recommend just kind of playing around with it. The surveys, you can do this as well. Every now and then you have to do your profile. And I like when sites pay you to, do your profile. So like every now and then you have to, redo it just to make sure you're up to date. And I need to do mine. I get 5 points for doing that. And you'll see here these surveys that they have, like 3-minute survey, 50 points. Another one going down, a lot of these 3-minute surveys, 50 points, 10 minutes, 40 points. The ones that are not available because many people haven't done them yet, so they don't really have an idea of how long the survey will take. But, I recommend just kind of going through as many as you can and just doing them because these sites do have a high qualification rating when you actually do your profile, time to time. And the more you use the site, the more you qualify for this, for surveys. And that's really with any site. The more surveys you do on this site, the more you qualify because they're paying attention to your answers. So they're figuring, okay, he'll probably qualify for this. So again, going back to the homepage to show you the offer walls again that they have. Theorem Reach, this is one that will allow you to get disqualification points. I think it's like 1 point that you get for every survey that you don't qualify for. Ad Get Rewards and Ad Wall, they have a lot of easy offers in there, like basically just sign up for this, complete this quiz, and you can watch videos in there. You can click on ads, things like that. So definitely check out as many as you can. Peanut Labs is another good survey provider. They have short surveys and they pay a good amount for each survey. So now I'm going to actually cash out. I'm going to click on other rewards. First, I'm going to show you the gift cards that they have. Let me do that. And they have lots of gift cards. There's something in here that you'll find. They have them alphabetical order, and you see there's so many pages of gift cards. You just click on a page, and they have so many things to choose from restaurants to grocery stores to regular stores. They got Visa gift cards. They got PayPal. You can send it straight to your bank. All these kind of different options to cash out on. But if you want to go to your bank, you click on other rewards. And you see here, you can get Bitcoin, direct deposit. You can get PayPal and Visa gift card. I like to go right to my bank. That way I don't have to, deal with any middleman. So what I'll do here is I'll click on direct deposit. And it already has my information in there. So I'll basically just click redeem. You can redeem $5. You can redeem more if you want to. So if I want to do the whole 825, I'll just click on, just change my points to redeem. And now 825, it goes straight to my bank. That's what I got blurred out right here. all my bank account information, and then redeem it. Are you sure you want to make this redemption? Okay. And just like that, they took the money out of my account. Now, it usually takes, maybe 3 to 4 days for it to come to my bank account, just like any, direct deposit that you'll get from a site. So I do trust them. I've been using them for a while. I've made plenty of cash outs with them. So I recommend signing up for this site. Like I said, I will leave the link to it in the description. You sign up, they do give a bonus. I'm not sure how much it is. It changes from time to time, but they do give you something. So sign up. Link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.